JB4 install on the CT4 V Blackwing. It's fairly easy. It really is. The hardest part is getting to one of the upper harnesses, which you have to remove 4 bolts, 6 bolts, one on each side of these actuators. And then you need to this one out right here. It holds these up, and then it will slide forward. We won't do it right now because I already popped that back in, but this will slide forward so you can get to the, it's right underneath here. And then you got to get to that one. It's right there. And then you got to get to this one on this mass airflow right here. And one, of course, goes to tie it all up to make it all nice. I don't feel like running through the firewall. It's a little pain in the Burger Tuning. So what I've done for the OB2 sensor is right here. Pull the fucking pull the weather stripping back right here. Slide the wire through. Push it in through here so you can plug it to the OB2 sensor that's right here, and then you run it up the wall here. I'm gonna make it look better than this. Obviously, I just use painter's tape because I don't want to mess with the paint. But then you run it through right here. Cut this off. Run it through to the engine bay. Lift up right here. Slide it up underneath right here. I'm gonna obviously should tie this up underneath right here, so it's nice and tight. He's golden. Should tie up the extra. Reinstall the 6 bolts.
So just make sure you put the 6 bolts on, put the cover back on, oil cap, and 1 bolt in the front left, and you're done.